Joe Follico for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 8, the final video in our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I'll be discussing how to customize and change settings in the platform. So let's get started. Up here in the top left corner, you'll notice there's a menu labeled Trading. When you click it, it'll bring up several choices. All of these will open new windows related to the menu choice. Most of these windows are already open, so what you would have is a duplicate. So let's say you wanted another quote board open. You would click that, and as you can see, it opened up another quote, which you could change the name of by clicking this pencil icon. So you could call it Trading Matrix 2 if you'd like. And then you could position it wherever you'd like. To get rid of it, cancel it. Going down here, we have spreads. So let's say you want to place a spread order. You can find the commodity you're looking for. Let's actually do corn as an example. So let's say we're going to trade December corn, and here I'm just going to type ZC, and let's say we're going to trade that against July corn. So this will search the system and find the symbol to trade that spread. This trading menu also holds your account statements. Click on that. Now this is a demo account, so there won't be any account statements, but if there were, you could look at daily, which will be the default, or monthly, and then you could go back in time, forward in time, up to the most previous business day. So statements are always generated overnight, the night before, but you could go back in time to when the account was first opened by clicking on this calendar here and choosing the date where you'd like to start. You can close that window out here. Lastly, we have the event contracts, which is something new from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. These are available to trade, and what these are options that you are essentially trying to guess which way the market will go for the trading day. So it will present you with a price, and you will place a trade that will say the market will either close above or below that price. And the value of the contract drops as time goes on throughout the day. But these are getting very popular. So you could place trades right from here. Again, this is listed under event contracts, and you'll see there's a whole list of them here. I'm using my scroll wheel on my mouse, or you could use the scroll bar on the right hand side of the window. And then you could also see below there's the different which contracts the event contracts are available for. So these are the only markets that currently have event contracts. As more get added, we will add them to the platform, but those again will be added at the CME exchange, and then we will add them to the platform. Close out of that window, click the X. So that concludes the tutorial series. If you have any questions on using the platform, please contact your broker. We'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.